Hello students, today we will solve numericals of chapter number 3. First numerical, a force of 20 Newton moves a body with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. What is its mass? First of all, we make data. Numerical 3.1, a force of 20 Newton. So F is equal to 20 Newton. F is equal to 20 Newton. Moves a body with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. What is its mass? M is equal to question mark. Here we use second law of Newton. Mathematical form of second law of Newton is F is equal to ma. So write formula, F is equal to ma. Now putting values in place of F, we can write 20, M question mark. We have to find the value of M. In place of A, we can write 2. 2 multiply with M on right hand side. If we take 2 to left hand side, it will be divided. So M is equal to 20 over 2. We may use calculator or manually we can divide 20 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 ones are and 0. M is equal to 10 and its units are kg. M is equal to 10 kg. Answer. Second numerical, the weight of a body is 147 Newton. Again, we form data. Weight is equal to 147 Newton. What is its mass? M is equal to question mark. Take the value of G as 10 meter per second square. So we can write G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Now we use formula, W is equal to mg. By putting values in place of W, we can write 147, M question mark, and in place of G we can write 10. When we bring 10 on left hand side, 10 will be divided. M is equal to 147 over 10. We may use calculator. 147 divided by 10 is equal to 14.7. So M is equal to 14.7 kg. Answer. Very simple numericals. Now we will solve numerical number 3 on another separate sheet. Numerical number 3. How much force is needed. Force is equal to question mark. How much force is needed to prevent a body of mass 10 kg? Mass is equal to 10 kg from falling. So here G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Value of G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Now we use formula. W is equal to F is equal to mg. W is equal to F is equal to mg. F question mark. So F is equal to, we have to find the value of F. In place of M we can write 10. In place of G we can write 10. 10 multiply with 10, so answer will be 100 Newton. Unit of force is Newton. Answer. F is equal to 100 Newton. Numerical number 4. Find the acceleration. A is equal to question mark produced by a force of 100 Newton. F is equal to 100 Newton in a mass of 50 kg. M is equal to 50 kg. Again we use formula and second law of Newton. F is equal to ma. In place of F we can write 100. In place of M we can write 50, and A is equal to question mark, so we have to find the value of A. When we bring 50 from right hand side to left hand side, 50 will be divided. A is equal to 100 over 50. 0 cancel with 0. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. A is equal to 2 meter per second square. Unit of accelerations are meter per second square. Answer. Now we have to find now we have to solve numerical number 5 on separate sheet. Numerical number 5. A body has weight 20 Newton. W is equal to 20 Newton. How much force? Force is equal to question mark. How much force is required to move it vertically up with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square? Acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. First of all, we have to find value of M. So we use formula. W is equal to mg. In place of W we can write 20. We have to find the value of M, and in place of G we can write 10. 10 multiply on right hand side, and when we bring 10 on left hand side it will be divided. M is equal to 20 over 10. 0 cancel with 0. So M is equal to 2 kg. M is equal to 2 kg. We have to find the value of F. So we use formula. F is equal to ma. Second law of Newton. F is equal to, in place of M we can write 2, in place of A we can write 2. 2 multiplied with 2 is equal to 4 Newton. F is equal to 4 Newton. Weight of body is 20 and 4 Newton is a force. So total force is equal to F plus W. In place of F we can write 4 and in place of W we can write 20. So total force is equal to 24 Newton. Answer. Okay students,